Subscription business ideas for men. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at subscription business ideas for men. Now let's get into this video. Now, what is a subscription box? Now, this subscription business idea, it's virtually a box. You're going to be putting these business ideas into a box. So I can just name this video how to make money from a box. Now let's see what a subscription box is. A subscription box is a recurring service. That means it is a recurring service. It's always occur. It is something that you keep doing. It's not a one-time thing. One time you purchase and that's the end. You keep purchasing it because the items in the subscription box, they get exhausted. Now you can deliver to your customers doorstep, or you offer them the option of coming to pick up. I know everybody will pick the option of getting it delivered to their doorstep. Now there's also a plan whereby you can make it a monthly thing, weekly thing, yearly thing, just based on you and your clients. One thing that makes a subscription box unique and different from just going to the market and buying these items is that the box can be customized based on your customers' preference. Now, A wants these items in their box, B does not want those kind of items in their box. So it's different. It is customized specifically for your individual preference, finances, and characteristics. Their individual characteristics. So that's what makes it unique. Now let's see how this work. How does the subscription box business work? Simply put, you're just going to be running an online store or offline store. It's best run online, just like every other business, and you are going to be putting content in a box. But for men, so this can be done by a man mainly or a woman. So you are making the box specifically for men, meaning the content in the box are made for men. They are exclusive to men only. So you already know your target audience. They are men, guys age 20 above, just men. That's your target audience. Now you can make your subscription box business something that has to do with commitment fee. They have to pay a commitment fee first before they have access to the monthly offer. Definitely they will pay for the monthly offer, or you can make it a one-time payment, you can make it a weekly payment, monthly payment, but let there be a commitment fee, like a card, something like a card. Just tell them there's a benefit of having a card. They know that okay, you have their details. You don't have to keep asking them for their details, okay, unless they want to change something in their box. So it's like me buying a gift for myself. Yes, I'm buying a gift for myself. I already paid. Every month this gift items comes to me. You can put nice love notes, beautiful notes, cards, and design your boxes. So when I open the gifts, I feel happy that this is my money. I bought myself a gift and it's coming in this month. But remember, your targeted audience are men. Now for the purpose of this video, let's see the content of subscription box for men. What will be inside the box for men? Well, still on business ideas for men. In our next video, we'll be talking about fashion line business ideas for men. So you don't want to mix that. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that. If you love this video, like it, share it to your friends. Thank you very much and see you in our next video. I love you. Bye bye.